We're gonna check out the bus again?
Yeah.
No?
Why, did you want to check it out again?
No. Have to check out this lady right here and ask her again what it stands for. That's it. Forever rely on God. Didn't you say something different a minute ago? We're going in that one first?
Are you going to go there and talk to her? Is that what you were doing?
Yeah. That's what it was.
Hi, welcome to my house.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm making lunch, so
You making lunch for everybody?
no.
No? I thought it was for, you said come around this time and it'd be lunchtime for everybody.
You are mistaken. But
Hey.
I both are myself under budget. My budget was $20,000. I spent 17, and I both are in 38 days.
Oh, dang, 38 days?
Yep,
Oh.
6 years ago.
Oh, dang.
Yep,
I like your frogs.
that's the name of my house. Is Frog.
Frog. Well, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I'll let you eat your lunch in peace.
All right, well, probably not, but thank you.
She didn't want to share her lunch.
What was she making?
I don't know, some kind of sandwich.
Exactly, and you know, and they built that vacation here, so I have to look for something in the LA area, you know, after whatever. But I went online to Google this morning, there's just have to show it. I'm gonna do two hands right here and hold them up. Yep. That's a steep step.
They didn't think that went through too well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It doesn't look that far, but when you're looking down,
Yeah,
Yeah, it's kind of far.
Step through too well when they brought this house. Not many people can get on that step.
she said somebody almost fell off.
Oh, I can
Ain't that big inside?
It's humongous.
Is it?
No, it's a 3-bedroom.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
It looks big to begin with, but when you go inside, it's even bigger.
Can you imagine trying to pull
Really?
it though?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
This is like a full bathroom.
We watched the guy pulling it in, remember?
Yeah.
They've got those 2 windows on the top over there. Those are actual like beds, like queen beds. And then this is the master bedroom over here.
We seen it from the other side, yeah.
No, we're out. Just waiting for our other kids.
That one's pretty. Oh my God.
I don't know, somehow it just looks.
I don't know where Lisa and Joe are.
I think they just.
First up.
Oh, time I wasn't recording.
A nice pause and yeah. Yeah, for people and grandkids.
It's 3-bedroom. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Be careful. It's going to get new stairs. Sorry, guys.
Oh, you're good?
You and me both, and I'm wondering how much it's going to be like going down. Not bad. Oh, yeah, this is nice. This is for me. This is for my air conditioning, heated. That's lovely. Sterling will live in here too. Nice thing.
Like,
Yeah, Dad could live in here, right? Pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a 3-bedroom. And I got, look at that.
we in line for cookies? Oh, no.
Yes, of course.
Sit down. Oh, food. Right? Exactly. Just pretend like there's someone in here.
Just by myself. Okay. Because I keep telling my family I need a tiny house for me. They're not invited to my tiny house.
Right, yeah, of course.
I understand that. This is really nice.
Three bedroom, huh? Yeah. Place is huge.
I'm pretending I don't work here.
There's no doubt about it. You can tell that's 60,000 for sure. And the name of the house is Frog, which means builder, and I got a really good builder. So, and the bird's name is Kermit, that's good to get. I'm moving out.
You moving out?
My display board holder for these
Well, y'all already got the weight ticket pants on.
Yeah. That's a standard.
Oh, no.
Oh, you got a picture back here.
Do you? What kind of kitchen's he got? Oh, dang, he's got a little stove.
I think a stove and a microwave.
Well, that's pretty cool. This don't have nothing in it, except for like a pull-up thing. I thought that was you.
Well, good morning. I'd like to thank everybody for coming to the Great American Tiny House Show. My name is Melanie Atkinson. I'm one of the producers of the event. In just a few minutes, we will have Robin Butler.
You got
with
toilets.
this wonderful little organization.
Does it?
called Metal. And
Toilet?
Metal is
2 beds, a TV.
organization.
That's all you need right there is a toilet.
So at 11 o'clock,
Look, you ain't got to go that far. Just get up and plop right back down.
listen to this Robin Butler.
They must use like coolers for your refrigerator type. Because they both had a cooler.
They do that for the Jeeps and stuff. They have like electric, hooks up to your battery cooler. It's pretty nice. I like the style of it.
Yeah. But you could pull that.
Oh yeah.
Or we could go, bam.
Man, that's what I want.
Thin that out. Dressing. Put it on. Fish. Salmon.
Like a French onion kind of type.
It's made with dill.
Into that.
He has the easy roll.
But why do we put them on wheels? Why don't you just put them on a foundation? Does anybody have any reason why piping, everything in there. This siding was left over from a job that my mom.
I love the little barn door. Oh, yeah, I like it.
It's nice.
That's so cool about the door.
You know, this one is just at an RV camp. And they go there and they spend a weekend in it or do whatever. They don't live in it. Watch your step. Sorry about that. I can throw my sunglasses. Oh, wait a minute. That's an awkward step. Okay, I think you got it. Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Hey, Doug.
Let me see how this table's set
Just
up
make
here.
sure she's okay. She's just struggling. Come on in.
Oh, dang. It's a glass shower.
Yeah, the only place to hang your clothes is in here.
Is it?
Figure out some more clothes hanging somewhere.
Yeah.
I like it.
What's the difference?
Is that a bathroom? Was this the better?
Yeah.
There's a step out there.
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Good. Switch there.
I kind of like this.
Yeah.
I don't like the price.
Yeah, I know.
Quickly. Or you can live in your tiny house while you're building a homestead. This is kind of a neat way. Me and my wife wanted to build a house. So the county for $50 over here in Marion County, Florida, $50 gave us a continuum on getting.
She's like, what's 20? And I'm like, if you said 20 bucks, you got no problem. I said, but you said 120.
Your landscape, you put your parking on it, you take it to the city or the county, and they approve it or not.
Oh, wow. Over there, the one we had.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty cool.
Is that lit?
You take it off so you can get gas in it.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Check out that little tiny tub. They go in a little tiny house.
He's got a swinging chair in there. Not sure how that works.
Well, I guess it would work because you'd be right above the bed.
What did you say? Would you put your feet here? Or? There's no TV. That's a problem.
You don't need no TV everywhere you go.
This is a small space that's well insulated, and so you're going to see a lot of moisture issues. So you need to. That's one of the main things. Typically, 320 square feet is the smallest type house you can build. Now I'm going to jump over to the park models. Park models are the authority having jurisdiction is going to be the local city or building department, unless it's a statewide ordinance, which we're next legislative session, not this one, next year.
I'm also
The main difference is the egress window. In that is an RV egress.
If somebody comes in there and they don't look good, they won't let them in. We've not had any problem with them letting
Yeah, I noticed the year when we got our fifth wheel, a lot of them was about the whole year and everything. At least ours was newer, but it said it was like 10 or 15 years they don't want it in. I think it's nice. Do you want that? Look at this. The wall in the bedroom.
Wow.
It's a good setup. Look at the sink.
I like that.
That's that water in it 'cause my hands are wet. I just touched it.
It's on the freezer.
Yeah.
Get some ice.
You have to go shopping every day.
Go ahead. Or get one of those deep freezers. Put in the back of the car.
I like her kitchen though.
Okay.
Oh dang, it's like a full-size bathroom in here. Yeah, this is nice. Got a flushable toilet. You don't even have to step on it.
Very good bed.
Where the heck's the bed?
No, Daddy.
Is that a closet? Excuse me.
You ever use a combination washer dryer?
No, I've seen it on TV.
We had one in our fifth wheel.
No.
You know, 2 pair of pants in there. And all
Same pretty process.
I bet it is.
You have to ask him. You gotta read that. He's making this easy.
Come on, babe.
You gotta close it.
You what?
Lots of cabbage trees.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. Sponge. That's a nice one. You got this. There could be stores up there. You could make that like your closet.
Oh yeah. Dang, look at this
That's all it's in there.
shower. Holy crap.
Your toilet's right there. There's a little closet for clothes too.
So you got plenty of room here.
And there's drawers underneath the bed.
See, now this is smart here.
Yeah, this
The way you
one's
got it
smart.
set up.
We don't want to be in your film.
And that one down there.
Yeah, that's it. For a tiny house. Which I think is an oxymoron.
Yeah, I like that.
Like gumbo.
Yeah.